Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here in the Stillwater community located in St. Johns City within St. Johns County. And this is a Charle floor plan. This is a quick move-in by Lennar that we're gonna be touring today. Now this community is in Stillwater. This is an active adult community. This house is on a 50-foot home site and features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and has approximately 2,124 square feet. Now, if you like my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. And so here we have a nice paved driveway, goes up into the front porch. And here we have a nice roomy front porch. You can set some chairs out here. It's a beautiful day out here in St. Johns. Now, if you're interested in purchasing here at Stillwater, be sure to contact me first, as builders do require that realtors be present at their first visit. Otherwise, I will not be able to represent you throughout the purchase of your home. And here we have an 8-foot entry doorway. We have tile floors, have a nice design or etched design. And the Charle is a popular floor plan because it includes a study and also a retreat, which we're going to be taking a look at. So here you have the study. You're going to have blinds throughout the home. And here you're going to have carpet. And that light in the center is braced for a fan, so if you want to change it out after closing, it is braced for a fan, or if you want to change out to a light fixture. Here you can put a nice entry table. Over here we have a closet, a coat closet. And then to my right, we have the laundry room. This home comes with a washer and dryer. And Stillwater is a gas community. This is a gas dryer. You do have the option, if you want to stay away from gas, to connect, there's the outlet to connect an electric dryer. All of the interior doors are going to be 8 feet, and the ceiling height is 9 feet. And over here we have the garage. This is a 2-car garage. This is your mechanical room. This is where you're going to have your HVAC. And here we walk into the common space. Here's the kitchen to the right. You're gonna have your gourmet style setup. Here's the island. And this house does include the fridge. You're gonna have quartz countertops, a double oven. Here is your pantry. You have your microwave there. You have your 5-burner cooktop here. This is gas. Your dishwasher. You have your gooseneck faucet. And over here we step into the dining area. And here is your living room. Recessed lighting and a fan. And here you have your 3-panel sliders. And the lanai is screened in and does have a fan with pavers. You have your gas stub there. Here you have a nice view to the water. Take a look out here. So So you can set up, a nice table out here, drink your morning coffee. Just looked at the compass on my phone and this is east. So you're gonna be able to enjoy nice mornings. This is water view, and just over there is the golf course. All right, so we're gonna take a look now at the owner suite. Here you're gonna have carpet, you have a fan. And then you're gonna have blinds. Here's the owner's bath, double sink vanity, a walk-in shower, rain shower head, you have a transom window there. And over here you have your water closet. Here to the right we have the walk-in closet. Now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at that retreat area and the other two bedrooms. So here we have the retreat area. You can make it another living room. We get an office, a nice little rest area for guests. And over here we have a bedroom. You have the pre-wire there for a light fixture or fan. You have the closet over here. Then just across we have another bedroom. Also have the pre-wire for a light fixture or a fan. Here you have the closet. And then over here we have motion sensor light. This is the second bath. You have your walk-in shower here. Tile goes all the way up to the ceiling. Quartz countertop. And then across here we have a storage slash linen closet. All right, if you're interested in knowing more about this home or the Stillwater community, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.